Hi everyone, my name is Astrid Sanchez. I'm from Mexico and I took CS50 Introduction to Python. In this video I'll be presenting my final project and I will explain very quickly how my program works. So the name of my program is Virtual Order, and the main function of my program is to display a customized menu if actually the customer wants to order from a customized menu. They will have to answer a couple of questions and then the program will display the best menu for them according to the answers to those questions. It will also calculate the amount of the purchase, like totals of total and taxes. All are given in Canadian dollars because I'm located in Quebec, Canada. And it will simulate an online payment that will validate the card's number and the expiry date later on. So let's get started so you can see how actually the program works. So here I create a fake restaurant. The name of the restaurant is Map Food and it offers 6 different styles of food. So we have to type our name, then we see a message grading the customer, and we have to decide if we want a customized menu or not. If we type no, we are gonna see the whole menu with all of these food styles, and if we type yes, of course we are not gonna see the whole menu. So in this case I just want to order something that it's not spicy, so I type yes. Then it's gonna ask us if we like spicy food. I'll type no, and then it's gonna give us all the food styles that don't include any spice meal in their menu. So here I'll choose French, and here we're gonna see the French menu, so we can start ordering. Let's type escargot, then 2, and here it's gonna ask us if we want to continue or end with the order. Let's type continue. I'll mistype the name of the order meal that I want to order so you can see what is going on here. I want to, and then this message will appear. Please make sure that you are typing the item correctly. So the customer will have to type the name of the meal as it is in the menu. Then, well, let's type correctly the name of the meal, cognac, like that, then 2, and it proceeds with our order. So I want to order something else like ratatouille, ratatouille 2, and I want to finish my order. So here we're gonna see the receipt, and I want to show you that the program create a CSV file with all the items that we order and their information. So we will come back to this file so you can see what else the program is gonna add to that CSV file. Here we have all the information and the subtotal, taxes, and total that the customer will have to pay. Then we have the payment section, and we have to enter the card's number. By experience, we know that a card has a length of 16 digits, so we have to enter 16 digits. Oh my god, like that. Let's say that we don't enter the 16 digits, so the program will tell us that we type a invalid card. Then I'll try again, and here I just entered the 16 digits, so it passed. And we have to enter the expiry date of the card. So today is November 23, 2023. Let's say that I enter October 2023, so we know that it's gonna reject the card again. You can use a card that expired in the past. So let's try to type the correct card's number and the correct expiry date and see what else is gonna happen. Then we have to enter the CVV, and the CVV has 3 digits, so let's type 4 and it will tell us that the CVV is invalid. So let's try one last time, and here we enter the date and 3 digits. So now the card was approved. The last part of the program is the delivery. So we have to enter the customer's information, or in this case I'm the customer, so I'll have to enter my first name, my last name, the address and my phone number so they can deliver the order to us. So Astrid, then Sanchez, and then where do you want us to deliver your order? Here we have 66, 65, let's say Wellington, and the postal code. Okay, then we have to type our phone number, and we see a message here. Thanks for your order. The name of the customer, in this case Astrid Sanchez. We will deliver your order at 6665 Wellington, and the postal code. Let's go back to the CS file and just take a look how it looks now. Well, as you can see, the program also added the customer's information at the end, such as name, last name, phone number and address. And well, I decided to implement a CSV file to store the whole information, because I think it could be easier for the owner to keep track of their sales per week, per day, or even per month, and also like have information of the customer and their order, so they can create like loyalty programs or give them like special such a special price or special meals according to their preferences. So yeah, I think it's easier to manage all this information in Excel in the future and keep track of a lot of things that could be helpful for the business. So thank you for watching, and this was basically my program. I hope you like it.